Hello, in front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 2 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your iPhone. First we need to open the Zap application on our iPhone, so let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the app, let's tap on Profile, select our AMAZFIT GTS 2 Mini from the list. Now scroll down, tap on the Unpair button, tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair again to confirm. Now let's tap on Got it. The watch should disappear from the list of devices, and also you should see the QR code on the screen. That means that the watch restored itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.